Hello everyone, welcome to EduNum, guiding career since 2007. As you know, every time like we used to do the student podcast. आज हमारे साथ डॉक्टर ऋषिका गहलोत है जो 2019 में EduNum के थ्रू एडमिशंस लिए थे. आज वो सक्सेसफुली जो FMG सो कॉल्ड नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स का हुआ था फास्ट अटेम्प्ट में उन्होंने फास्ट अटेम्प्ट में एग्जाम्स क्लियर किया. सी फ्रॉम जयपुर राजस्थान से है, तो वो अपना रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस बताएंगे. जो स्टूडेंट्स लोग फॉरेन कंट्री भी जाते, अब तो दोनों के लिए हो गया, इंडिया जो MBBS कर रहे हैं या फॉरेन कंट्री के लिए नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स हो गया है. बट जो मन में डाउट है, मैं अगर MBBS करूँ क्या मैं FMG सो कॉल्ड नेक्स्ट एग्जाम क्लियर कर पाऊंगा, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा. हमारे साथ लाइव बैठे हैं डॉक्टर ऋषिका गहलोत. वो अपना रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस बताएंगे. फर्स्ट टाइम कैसे FMG एग्जाम क्लियर किए, EduNum ने क्या सपोर्ट किया रियल टाइम. डॉक्टर ऋषिका, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, हाउ आपका EduNum के साथ कैसा जर्नी रहा. सेकेंडली, FMG एग्जाम्स के लेकर जो स्टूडेंट लोग का मन में डाउट है, मैं क्लियर कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, सो मेनी कोरीज लाइक अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स आल्सो, मन में डर भी है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा लाइन.
Okay, hello, I'm Dr. Rishika Gehlot. I did my MBBS from Nanjing Medical University. I'm from 2019 batch, and this was my first attempt, and I cleared it. I think this FMG exam is not as tough as I thought, as everyone thought. Everyone has that fear that we'll do MBBS and will not be able to pass this exam. That's why most of the students, I don't think they apply for foreign MBBS because they think that we'll have some problem here and there. So I think there's not that much issue if you just take admission in the first year. If you're studying from China in the first year, you'll study Chinese languages. At that time, you can just prepare your base from the basic subjects, prof subjects, and when the actual medical subject starts, I think you should start preparing yourself from there only. As early as you start, that will be much easier for you. If you just delay it, then it will pile up and then you'll share it in the end, and you know what happens in the end.
Great, Dr. ऋषिका, congratulations, you did a great job, pass out FMG exam. This is really good sign as well as for EduNum, happiness as well as India के लिए भी, क्योंकि हम लोगों को इतना डॉक्टर्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है. You also going to be full as a doctors in such as of India. But I just want to know, abhi bhi, in fact, like students from India, those who have already passed out in 12th exams, still have huge fearness. As you said, मैंने भी सोच रहा था काफी डिफिकल्ट होगा, पर जब मैं देखा इजी है, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर दिया FMG एग्जाम्स. पर काफी स्टूडेंट का मन में अभी भी डर है, सच में क्या क्लियर कर पाऊंगा, यह जेन्युइनली डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम FMG एग्जाम्स. और नेक्स्ट एग्जाम जब तक अभी नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स हो गया है, तो उनको व्हाट एग्जैक्टली योर एडवाइस टू देम.
I think सबसे बड़ी बात होती है that you have that dream. I have that dream, so I have to pursue it. I had no other choice. I have to do it, whether it's from India and whether it's from foreign. You have to work hard, whether it's India or foreign. Actually, you have to work more harder here because they're FMG exam. But I think it's a taboo that it's that difficult. It's not. There are students that come in the foreign and they don't actually focus on their studies. I think you just need a little bit of focus. I'm not saying that you have to already study 24/7 hours, and that I enjoy myself a lot here. I love China. I enjoy a lot, but at
because
that
of
time
infrastructure,
safety purpose, rules, regulation, the nature of the people here. People are so amazing here. They're ready to help, actually.
oh, that's great.
I would recommend China, and many of person already asked me about foreign study and which university. I already told them Nanjing Medical University. I think that's the best university because they have rules. If you don't go in the class, they will mark you absent. You'll have warning issues, and that thing makes you stay focused on your goals. We have Saturday, Sunday off. You can do whatever in Saturday, Sunday, but those 5 days you work hard. And I think that's the thing that motivated me to study.
Oh, that's great. I'm really happy because during the difficult time, COVID time also, you really work hard and also motivate yourself. That's for self-motivations and all. This is really good sign. And one more thing, what do you exactly suggest to the young students first year to 6th year. So they will continue any like maximum student they think that like last year मैं ही पढ़ाई करूँगा FMG का next exams का.
No.
Suggest to them.
That's a bad idea. I think I have Marrow, not exactly as Marrow. I studied from different teachers. Like you have to study from different teachers, and then you think, okay, I'm understanding from this one. You have to study from first year only. You can't say that I will study it in the. You have to prepare the base. In the end time, you can revise every single subject, but if you have to prepare the base, you have to study from the first year only.
इनफैक्ट एफएमजी सोकल नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स का जो क्वेश्चन पैटर्न है एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी को ज्यादा आता है या थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर, मतलब किस मतलब ईयर्स का ज्यादा सब्जेक्ट एग्जाम्स में आता है? लाइक
I think clinical subjects have more. I think 50% of the weightage are only from Obs Gynae subject, Obs Gynae, PSM, and surgery and medicine. They almost hold approximately 50% of the paper because they are clinical subject. They include everything inside them. But to study them, you have to have that anatomy, biochemistry, and pharmacology and physiology. These 4 subjects have the base. If you don't study them well, you will not be able to clear your concept in the clinical subjects.
Right. Yeah. Okay. That means the basic have to be clear. Then clinical subject you need to focus.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, the concept has to be clear. If your concept
exactly.
is clear, I believe it's an objective pattern.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm talking about, na? Concept clear, yeah. You can definitely clear and all.
Exactly.
Students, one more thing I just what Dr. Risika tell, you just continue your studies, continuous process, not like मैं 5th year में पढ़ाई करूँगा, not otherwise.
No. Not at all advisable.
And also, don't take too much stress. जैसे ऋषिका ने बोला, enjoy a lot. आप पढ़ाई के टाइम में पढ़ाई कीजिए, मस्ती के टाइम में मस्ती कीजिए. Definitely.
I want to share that actually I take a lot of stress. That's why my father always told me, don't take stress. If this will not be clear, you can attempt the next one. You have to be stress free. Doesn't matter what the result is. But still, I took the stress in the second part and the last 50 questions. I just got confused in some question and I just lost my concentration. That lost me 20 minutes of my exam, and that 20 minutes was very crucial, and I just fucked up in that 20 minutes. I think I could have scored more in that 20 minutes. So my advice, stay stress free. Stress is not gonna help you, not at all gonna help you. You have to stay focused, be confident. That's the motto. I think that you have to be confident.
Definitely, because in life also, not only in next exam, अगर हम लाइफ में अगर हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होंगे, अपना आप पे भरोसा नहीं करेंगे, तो प्रॉब्लम्स होगा, टेंशन में आएंगे, स्ट्रेस तो बढ़ेगा ही. तो लाइक डियर स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं है. आप जो 5 साल का जो पढ़ाई है, थोड़ा पढ़ाई कीजिए, कंसेप्ट क्लियर कीजिए, डेफिनेटली यू विल बी थ्रू इन फास्ट अटेम्प्ट. क्योंकि काफी हाईलाइट हो रहा है, रिमोर्स है ना, इंडिया में ही एमबीबीएस क्लियर कर पाओगे, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा. जो फॉरेन स्टूडेंट है, क्लिनिकल के लिए डिफिकल्टी है. अगर आप कोई सजेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, जो 2 महीने इंडिया में छुट्टी पे आते हैं, वहां पे तो करते हैं क्लिनिकल, और एक्स्ट्रा करना है तो यहाँ पे भी आप प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. तो आप एक ही जैसे डॉक्टर ऋषिका ने बताया अभी, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन, आई हैव टू क्लियर द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम. इस माइंडसेट जब तक आप तो डेवलप नहीं करेंगे, नहीं तो काफी स्टूडेंट्स फॉरेन जाते हैं, ऑल दिस मेजर कंट्रीज, स्टूडेंट मस्ती भी करते हैं, कुछ लोग पास भी करते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जाम, एफएमजी एग्जाम सो कॉल्ड. तो कहने का मतलब ये डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पॉसिबल है. आप अपना पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू कीजिए, कंटिन्यूस, प्लस जो मॉक टेस्ट है, प्लस कोई भी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में आप ज्वाइन कीजिए. ज्वाइन करके जो है लाइक पेपलाडर, मैरो, सो मेनी अदर इंस्टीट्यूट आर देयर. तो यू शुड टेक द लाइक ऑब्जेक्टिव पैटर्न्स के लिए आपको कंसंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा. फास्ट अटेम्प्ट में अगर आप कंटिन्यूस करते हो तो डेफिनेटली क्लियर करोगे. अगर काफी स्टूडेंट में से बात होता है, वो बोल रहे हैं सर 5th 6th ईयर में मैं पढ़ाई शुरू करूंगा, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्लियर. आपको
5th 6th year actually your university will also have the exams, na sir. And I have internship also these last 6 months. It's not like that I didn't attended the internship. I think I learned more in the internship. I attended surgery, I assisted laparoscopic surgery, I applied sutures. There's more clinical things you can do here. But if you're burdening it on the last area, you'll miss all these things.
I totally agree. Like your journey of excellent from Jaipur to China and excellent, and finally you got success. Once again, badhai ho, Dr. Risika.
Thank
Any
you.
final advice to the youngster and parents also, those who want to become a doctor, but because of financial difficulty, they're unable to pay in India crores of rupees, planning to go to foreign countries. Still, their mind like, because Russia, Ukraine was supposed to be there. Like, the fearness मन में है, like, क्या होगा अगर मैं foreign country भेज भी दिया, बच्चा पास कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा, तो उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस है तुम्हें?
मेरी एडवाइस ये है कि if you are really willing to be the doctor, you can do it. There's nothing you can, मतलब मेरे पापा हमेशा बोलते हैं कि ऐसी कोई चीज है नहीं जो तुम नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर तुमने सोच लिया है तो तुम कर सकते हो. और मेरे ख्याल से मेरे को एक प्लस पॉइंट ये मिला है फॉरेन से कंट्री करने का कि मेरे को और ऑप्शंस खुल गए हैं. लाइक जैसे इंडिया में करते हैं तो इंडिया में आप सिर्फ स्टडीज पे फोकस रहते हो. यहाँ पे आप बाहर से करते हैं तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर करने को मिलते हैं. दे हैव एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस फॉर रिसर्च पेपर्स, फॉर ऑन्कोलॉजी, फॉर क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स. दे हैव इन द समर ब्रेक्स. I didn't go back in the summer breaks and winter breaks. I was here because my university organized extra classes. So I attended this research paper. So I learned about research paper writing and other countries' exam like PLAB, AMC. We discuss amongst ourselves. In India, I think less people apply for foreign.
Yes, PLAB and USMLE. Only few people
Exactly.
at college, not all college. MBBS doctor job kar lo.
Yes. Because in India, we are so focused on studies only. I attended some competitive exams also. I performed many dance here. So I enjoyed
overall,
and
you enjoy as
like
a become doctors and all.
Yeah.
Your student life, like, it's quite enjoyable and hilarious along with your successful doctors.
Exactly. If you have that balance, it will be like butter.
तो इसमें मैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स में आपको मैं व्यूअर्स को बता देता हूँ. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप एमबीबीएस क्लियर करना चाहते हो फास्ट अटेम्प्ट, ऐसे नहीं है खाली पढ़ाई करना 6 साल. नॉट डॉक्टर ऋषिका सामने बैठे हैं, उन्होंने मस्ती भी की है, हॉबीज डांस भी की है, जो भी करना है सब उसके बावजूद भी मंडे टू फ्राइडे जो पढ़ाई करना सीरियस, एवरीथिंग फॉलो किया. सेम केस, आप भी डॉक्टर सक्सेसफुल डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं है. जो पढ़ाई के टाइम only focus on study, then
yes,
leisure time we can do whatever hobbies, whatever things we can do. Nobody will stop you, including your parents also, but you just enjoy. But enjoy के साथ successful होना, it's really a good sign as a bright student.
True.
And
True.
Thank you Risika for your valuable times, and because it's really happy moment for all of us, not only for EduNum and your parents, whole Indian students in the whole India, because in India huge shortage of doctors. So we are happy you are going to be like a part of healthcare system in future in India. Many more successful comes, PG and all. All the best for US PLAB exams as well. Thank you very much once again, Risika, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone
for having me.
Thank you.